Unit 2, atomic structure. Most probably in Unit 2 as well as Unit 4, atomic structure and chemical bonding is a maximum number of weightages will be asked in NEET exam. First, we will let us see the atomic radii. The rule of atomic radii from top to bottom is increases, but from left to right in a particular period is decreases. For example, correct order of the atomic radii of element. In the option, everything they might have given only boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium, boron family itself they have given. So in that boron family is belongs to third A and plus 3 valency. So that is icosahedron. They are used to call as icosahedron. So because that has a 20 phases of tetrahedral polyhedron structure, boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. To remember this boron family, already I given in my description box one sentence. Birds all gather in total. Birds all gather in total. Birds be boron, all aluminium, gather Ga in iron, total Tl. So birds all gather in total. If you remember the sentence, the automatically that boron family will become into the order. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. When you come across boron to aluminium, it has a larger size. The atomic size increases as the atomic number increases. So thallium first place, then indium should come, then gallium should come, but supposed to be. But in the place of gallium, aluminium is exchanged. Aluminium and gallium is exchanged because gallium has a 3D, completely filled orbital, 3D orbital it has. So what the d orbital will have a very poor shielding effect. So automatically the outermost electrons will be captured by the nucleus. So the size would be shrink than aluminium. So aluminium will have a larger size than gallium because of gallium having the deeper shielding effect of d orbital. So in the place of aluminium, gallium is taken, aluminium is taken as a larger shape. So the order is thallium is greater than indium, is greater than aluminium, is greater than gallium and boron. Let us see the explanation. And gallium is an exception because gallium has a 3d10 completely filled d orbitals. It has a diffused activity. D orbital have a diffused activity because of double shape. So d orbital has a poor shielding effect. Therefore, all the valence electron are easily attracted by the, attracted by nucleus, because the valence electron will be dragged by the nucleus. Then automatically the size would be shrink than aluminium. So aluminium will have a greater size than the gallium. So that order is thallium, indium, aluminium greater than gallium, greater than boron is the correct answer. So next question, which of the following oxide is more acidic in nature? More acidic in nature. So more oxidation, two concept is there. More oxidation number, more acidic nature. More electronegativity, more acidic in nature. So let us see this. Oxygen, 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 all same. But here the magnesium, beryllium, barium, calcium. So all are belongs to alkaline earth metals. So alkaline earth metals are second A group. So beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. One sentence I have given in my description box to remember. Big marriage can serve badam rasam. Already barium and radium should come. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. But in the option radium is not given. But in this family, in this beryllium family or alkaline earth metals, big marriage can serve badam rasam. So beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, when we come to the top to bottom, the atomic, here the atomic size increases, but size is increases, but smaller size will have a more electronegativity. Electronegativity is more in a higher, very less in the beryllium. Smaller size will have a less electronegativity, larger size will have a less electronegativity, smaller size will have a more electronegativity. Beryllium, the electronegativity is 1.2. So the rule is more electronegative, more acidic. If electronegativity increases, means it will be the smaller in size. So beryllium only is a smaller in size. And come to top to bottom, already I explained in a first question, the atomic radii increases from top to bottom. So what increases top to bottom means here Ba is increases in atomic size, But in electronegativity, smaller size will acquire a more electronegative, larger size acquire a less electronegative. This decreases shows decreasing in the electronegativity. So what which is more acidic in nature means smaller size will have a more electronegativity. So beryllium oxide is a more acidic in nature. So 2000 question, this question is asked, element Z is equal to 114. 114 is the atomic number has been discovered, newly discovered element. Recently, it will be, 2016, June 9th, it will belong to which of the following family group and electronic configuration? One is carbon family, oxygen family, nitrogen family, and halogen family. So in carbon, it is it is 114 means definitely it is a F block, FD and 7s and p orbital. So completely filled. Let us see the trick of the finding that group of carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. I am going to apply the rule. It is applicable for all these four family. So first you fill the electron 2, 8, 18, 18, 32, 32. 2, 8, 18, 18, 32, 32, we should add it. Atomic number of carbon is 6. Atomic number of nitrogen is 7. Atomic number of oxygen is 8. Atomic number of fluorine is 9. So first to this carbon 6 add 8. We'll get a 14. 14 is the atomic number of silicon. Then to this 14 add 18. So we'll get a 32. 32 is the atomic number of germanium. Next, with 32 add a 18, we'll get a 50. That is the tin atomic number 50. To this 50, you add a 32. We'll get a 82. 82 is the atomic number of lead. And to this 82, again you add 32. So that is you are getting 114. So that 14 is comes under the carbon family. It is called flerovium. It is called as a flerovium. In my description box, I have given to you to remember chemistry. Sir gives standard problem. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Chemistry C, Sir SI gives GE, standard SN, problem PB. So if you remember chemistry, sir gives standard problem, the sentence, you can correlate all these things. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. Under carbon family, fluorovium is placed. So under boron family, the newly discovered elements I have placed here. Boron family, nihonium, and carbon family, flerovium, nitrogen family, moscovium, oxygen family, livermorium, fluorine family, tennessine, neon noble gases family, that is organism. To remember this sentence, Nihonia family in Mosconium live in Trust Society Organization. Nihonium family, flerovium in Mosconia, that is Moscovium, live livermorium in Trust Society, that is Tennessine Organization, Trust Society Organization, organism. Nigonium, flerovium FL, MC Moscovium, LV livermorium, TS Tennessine, OG organism. It is 118. This is 113, 114, 15, 116, 117, 118. So these are newly discovered elements. To identification for this, it is dead easy of adding these elements. 2, 8, 8, sorry, 2, 8, 18, 18, 32 and 32. So flerovium is 114 is placed under the carbon family. If you add 8, you are getting silicon atomic number. If you add 18, you will get a germanium atomic number. If you add 18 with the germanium, we will get a tin atomic number. If you add 32 with the tin, we will get a lead atomic number. If you add 32 with the lead atomic number, you will getting atomic number of fluorine. This is the best method to adding the standard electrons of 8, 18, 18, 32 and 32. So our option is carbon family. The newly discovered 114 name is called flerovium. It is placed under carbon family. 2015 question, in species organ K plus potassium ion and Ca2 plus calcium 2 plus ion containing same number of electrons. In which order do their radii increases? So let us see, they have given this based on the isoelectronic species. This question is asked many times. 1993, 1996, 1997, 2003, 2007, 2010, 2014, 2015. So many years they ask the same question. Let us see the electronic configuration. This is atomic number is 20, calcium atomic number is 20, and potassium atomic number is 19, argon atomic number is 18. After losing electron, it acquires the same electronic configuration. When you remove electron, the size should be decreases. When you add electron, the size would be, increases. More and more electron, if you decrease further and further, the size would be decreases. The two rules you are supposed to follow. One rule is remove the electron, size decreases. Remove the electron further it decreases. But when you add electron, the size would be increases. In calcium 2 plus, 2 more electrons are losing, so the size would be very, very less. But in case of calcium, it is only 1 electron is less, so it would be larger than Ca2 plus. Argon, no electron is removed. So based on this concept, argon 18 and the potassium 19 is removed 1 plus, it becomes K plus 18 electrons, and calcium 20 remove 2 electrons and Ca2 plus 18 electron. More and more electron removed, the size would be shrink. So isoelectronic configuration, same electronic configuration, same, though it has the same number of electrons. Argon is a greater size and potassium is lesser than this and very, very lesser than potassium. Calcium is very, very small. This is the order. So our option is argon is greater than potassium is greater than calcium 2 plus is the correct answer. Extra point I have given to you. Comparing the O plus, O and O minus, increasing the atomic rating. So when you compare to these three, O plus and O and a minus. O minus, we have added electron. In oxygen, we have not added any electron, not removed any electron, but O plus, we have removed electron. So atomic number of oxygen is 8. So O plus, for all oxygen, 8 means it has a 8 protons. So here after losing 1 electron, it is remaining 7 electrons. Here it is not removed or not added. So here we have added 1 electron, so 9 electrons. 8 proton, 7 electrons, 8 proton, 8 electrons, 8 proton, 9 electrons. 8 protons will attract 7 electrons due to the higher nuclear power, the size will be shrink. So it is intermediate. Here 8 protons will attract the 9 electron is very less. So due to the larger size. So it has the size is greater, O minus is greater, then O is greater, intermediate, and then O plus is very, very small. So let us say extra question. Next, fifth question. Which of the following order of ionic radii is correctly represented? Here in this question, they are given H minus, H plus, Na plus, F minus, O2 minus, and F minus, O2 minus, Na plus, aluminum 3 plus, Mg2 plus, and N3 plus. Let us see this arrangement. First arrangement we will see, that is H minus, H greater than H plus. Hydrogen has 1 proton, 1 proton, 1 proton. Minus means added 1 electron, 1 electron. So here it is 1 proton and 1 electron. Here 1 proton and there is no electron at all because we have removed here. Here it is H minus added 1 electron, and here H not removed, not added, and here H plus we have removed 1 electron. So the sizes H minus is greater than, H is greater than H plus. When come across this example, Na plus, F minus, O2 minus, 2 minus, 2 electron is removed. So it should come here. Next, so this is not correct. Next, here second option, F minus, O2 minus. So O2 minus should come here. So this is also not correct. O2 minus should come here because it is a very small, it doesn't, here they said a ionic radii following order. Next, aluminium 3 plus, Mg2 3 plus, and 3 minus should come here. So what these three options are wrong because minus only will have more atomic radii or ionic radii. Minus will have ionic radii. So more ionic radii is a minus only. If it is a 2 minus or 3 minus, 4 minus, we should see when you compare to minus 1 and 2 minus, and 2 minus will have a greater size than the 1 minus. So this is wrong. Second option is wrong because it is supposed to come in front. And here also minus should come in a front. This is also wrong. But in the C option, 2 minus should come in the place of F minus. So the even C option also wrong. But in the first option, H minus is placed as a first. So this is a correct option. Thanks for watching, students.